struggling with laziness? Fam, I know all about it. Where you feel like you can't move, you feel like you're stuck. Fam, ask yourself, why am I being lazy? Why am I struggling with laziness? Is it lack of purpose? Fear of failure? Too many distractions? Addiction to comfort or pleasure? Bad habits that are holding you back? Come on now. Maybe it's trauma or pain that's keeping you frozen. Fam, I know all about it. I'd like to share with you a scripture that will empower you to overcome laziness. In Jeremiah 29, verse 11, the NLT, the word of Yah says, "For I know the plans I have for you, says Yahuwah. They are plans for good and not for disaster, to give you a future and a hope." That's right, family. This passage was written to the Israelites who were in exile, for they were displaced, discouraged, and complacent. Yahuwah, our Creator, spoke these words to the prophet Jeremiah to send to the Israelites who were in exile. Question: are you in exile? What you mean, Jayden? Are you displaced? Are you discouraged? Are you complacent? Even though the Israelites were in exile, they were not in their land. Many of them did not want to come back to their land. They were comfortable in exile. I'm just keeping it real with you, family. I've been in exile for way too long. However, Yah has plans for you. Plans for good and not for disaster. Plans to give you a future and a hope. Remember. You are not forgotten. Yah has plans for you. Oh, yes, he does. Here's a challenge. This week, pick just one thing, and do that one thing with all of your might. Just pick one thing and get it done. Remember, Yah has plans for you. No more excuses. No more delay. Yah has plans for you. All glory to our great King.